Again, the name of this dance is called Bhangra, and it's something that originated in North India among farmers. It's known as a harvest dance. So all the dance moves in this dance are related to working outdoors and working in nature. If you guys notice when all the girls were dancing, they were doing a lot of their shoulders. The main instrument in this dance is a big drum called a dhol. It's a big barrel-sized drum, and that's the beat that you dance to. And it's always 4-on-4 drum beats, which means it's always done in 8 counts. So we're gonna do steps in 8 counts. So even if you guys aren't getting up, you can do it sitting in your chairs. So everybody, put your arms out. Okay, we're gonna count to 8. You're just gonna let go of your shoulders, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, that was easy, right? Okay, we're gonna teach you guys a few steps and we're gonna try to music. So everybody bring out your right foot. We're gonna step 2 counts on each leg. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put your arms to the right. When you step on your feet, you're gonna bring your arms in. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Next one, you're gonna take your right foot, you're gonna step over and come back, and we're gonna do 4 on each leg. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, switch your feet, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna open up your arms. When you step over, you're gonna close them. When you step back, you're gonna open them back up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step over and back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna do a few more. So everybody, plop down on your feet. We're gonna walk 4 counts to the right and 4 to the left. Ready? Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your arms by your hips. When you walk, you're gonna open them up. You're gonna let go of your shoulders. Ready? Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step over and back. 3, 4, switch your legs. 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do 2 or 3 more, then we're gonna try to music. So next one is your heels. We're gonna do single counts. You start with the right. Step, step, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your arms are up here. First 4 counts, you're just gonna bring them down. You're gonna let go of your shoulders. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Take them back to the top. 6, 7, 8. Let's do that one again. Ready? Arms on top. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step over and back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heels down. 2, 3, 4. Take them up. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, last 2. Just like before, you're gonna step on your feet, and we're gonna do 2 counts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna take your right arm up, your left hand on your left ear. This is a gesture for singing. Step on your feet, bring them down. 1, 2, switch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, last step. Just like before, we're gonna do our heels. Start with the right again. So heel, heel, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna clap on the bottom twice, so do just your arms first. So it's clap, clap, arms on top, bring them down. 4, clap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now try it with your heels. Ready? Single counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Phew! All right, we're gonna put it all together, then we're gonna try to music. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step over and back. 3, 4, switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heels down. 2, 3, 4. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. Clap, clap. 3, 4, clap. 7, 8. All right, shall we try some music? All right. What do you guys think? Yeah. So give these guys a big round of applause for getting up here and trying this. So we're gonna have a play music. We're gonna do our arms in place for a little bit, and then when I say go, we'll start and we'll do it a few times. Ready? Loud, please. Number 2. So just in place.